So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn about rainbow shaders. So you can see I added a rainbow shader that changed the value of the color according to the y-axis. So if you are on the top, you can see the color is changing, right? So how you can do that? So there are multiple ways. So I have added the shader already, which is this one. So I will give you this shader in my link in the description so you can download this shader. So it's a pretty cool shader and it's also available on the sites. And so you just need to use this. Okay, so I will give you the link in the description. So let me show you how you can use it. So you can see I have a player already using it. So let me remove this player from the tree, and I have another player which don't have this shader on, so we can just use this one and we will add the shader to it. So you can see that this player doesn't have that shader, right? So let's add the shader. So you can just see I want to add the shader to the cloth, which is the red one. So I need to disable the default color. Let's go on the material, create a new shader material, click on this ball, and then click on new shader, and you can see there is already a test.gd shader, so we can just open it and it's done. So if you try to run the scene, you can see the shader is already applied. You can also find this shader on the Godot shaders website, so you can just search there. You can get this shader. So the shader looks good. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, if you like the shader, please do subscribe.